Yeah, I'm bringing it back to the old school with this little getup. Old school PF, you know what's up, baby. Got something for you. My president is black, my axe beat too. Damn right I let it chew. If funny axe me too. A fast street dude living life without a fear. Stared the reaper in his eyeballs, a nigga never scared. Deliver everywhere, grinding daily is a must. But when I'm on the mic I bring the pain to these mutts. I'm dangerously punishing the lames in your squad. Make them take a step back and say, oh my god. I flow like water even when I speak. Your hoes are your daughters. Dream of me and leak on the sheets and they creeping like they was TLC. And I'ma beat a meat up in that fucking BLT. They sucking me to sleep and awaken me with head. They spread their booty cheeks when they play between their legs. They tongue kiss my balls and I'm coming all over their jaws. And they licking it up and spitting all over each other. Oh my god. But you best just let a nigga tag one day. Mr. Man's been saying that your man's is gay. This the last time I ask you to pass the J. And the best time to get your little ass broken in half. Make it bust and I'm making it last. And if I can't, baby girl, at least I'm making you laugh. And that's fatter than the ass on your Kim Kardashian. Shit, another I'ma smash when I hit hard cash. 7 figures make a nigga really get shit fast. And if I win it, I'ma spin it like a 50-yard dash. Yeah, it's a rap, I attack like machete slash. Leave them laying in the bag like I'm 20 sacks. And if I earned it, I'm a burner like a green herb smoke. So don't trust me with your girl, dude, I'll leave her broke. Yeah, for sure, I'm a bro when I beat her Joe. Y'all really gotta know you can't defeat my show. Ha!